We can simplify the total life cycle into several macro segments of upstream, midstream, and downstream. Each of those macro segments contains important activities including extraction, which is the process of removing materials from the natural environment for use in the economy, usually accomplished through activities such as mining. After these materials are extracted, they go through processing to remove impurities and separate out valuable components, producing substances suitable for manufacturing and industrial applications such as clean energy technologies. Material innovation involves developing new materials or finding alternatives to reduce reliance on critical materials. Product design, meanwhile, involves using those materials to create products aiming to reduce waste and increase recycling rates. The products are then manufactured, put into the market, and used to end of life. Disassembly is next, where products are disassembled into their constituent components, providing opportunities to isolate reusable elements. Our goal, of course, is increased circular practices where disassembly is designed into our products. Lastly is recycling and recovery, which focuses on reclaiming critical materials from products that have reached their end of life, as well as from waste produced during production.